Hello, my name is John Gonzalez. In this video, I'm present my teacher profile. I am 21 years old. I was born in the July 13. My parents, my parents are Doris Joanna and Juan Carlos Gonzalez, and my sister is Jamie Joanna. And I love play basketball, and I love my family, and I love play the video game. And my weekends, uh, I have a very poor heart, that has caused my people to harm me, and I am impulsive and can get angry very hastily. And my strength, I am a determined person who always minor in is positive and hard working. I are I always my best. And the unit 3 is the definite and infinity articles. Bueno, en esta unidad 3 estaremos viendo un video tutorial de la actividad, en el cual estaremos convocando a la pizarra a, a una serie de oraciones para que los estudiantes usen eh, and D, y así poder completar lo que es la unidad 3. Thank you very much in the present.